Good morning, students. Today we are going to do worksheet 1. This is for class 2nd. Today we are going to do the worksheet from the workbook. So be ready, listen to the story first and then we'll do the exercise. A part. Read this passage. My name is Jilly. I like cats. I hug every cat I meet. I hug the neighbor's cat. Ben says meow. Now Jilly loves the cats. He hugs them. Every cat he meets, he hugs them. First, he hugs the neighbor's cat. I go to the park. I hug the cat that lives under the bench. He looks happy. When he goes to the park, he hugs the cat that's under the bench. First he hugs the neighbor's cat and then he hugs the cat which is in the park. I walk to the market. I meet the brown cat. Third, he meets the brown cat when he goes to the market. Outside the sweet shop, I hug her too. First he hugs the neighbor's cat. Then he hugs the cat in the park. Then when he goes to the market, outside the sweet shop, he hugs the brown cat. I hug her too. She licks my face. Slurp, slurp, slurp. I go to the zoo. I want to hug the big cats at the zoo. Then when he goes to the zoo, he wants to hug the big cats. But the zookeeper says no. So I say bye to the big cats. Jilly wants to hug the big cats. Do you know what are big cats? Yes, tigers, lion, all these species are called big cats. That's why the zookeeper says no to Jilly. No hugging the big cats. The big cats do not say meow because they are not cats. So they don't say meow. They growl or they roar. I go home and get into my bed. Lastly, he goes home and goes to the bed. I hug my cat and go to sleep. Last, he hugs his cat and goes to sleep. Now Jilly hugs every cat. He loves cat. So he hugs the neighbor's cat first. Then he hugs the cat that is in the park. Then when he goes to the sweet shop in the market, he hugs the cat over there. And lastly, he hugs the cat that is in his house before sleeping. Now, there are some question answers based on the story only. The answers are in the story only. So be careful while doing the question answers. What does Jilly do to the cats? What does Jilly do to the cats? You can do in short also. Jilly hugs the cats. As he loves them, so he hugs them. Second one. Second question. How many cats does Jilly hug? The answer, Jilly hugs every cat he meets. And in the story, when we count, he hugs 4 cats. What are the big cats at the zoo? Big cats at the zoo are the tigers. They can be the leopard. They can be the lions also. So we'll write here, big cats at the zoo are the tigers. Why does the zookeeper tell Jilly not to hug the big cats? Why did the zookeeper tell him? The big cats might hurt Jilly. As the big cats are not normal cats. They are tigers, lion, jaguar. They can be that. So they might hurt Jilly. Why do the big cats not say meow? Why do big cats not say meow? Because the big cats growl. They roar. Meow is the sound of a cat. And the tigers, the lion, they growl or they roar. So, do these question answers neatly in your workbook note copy. C part. Change these nouns to their singular or plural form. These are mixed up. You have to separate them as singular or plural. I have done this with you in the grammar. So be careful. Here kittens, plural form. Make it singular, we'll remove the S, kitten. Second is table. Table is singular. To make it plural, we'll add S. Now third is bus. Bus is singular, we'll make it plural, we'll add ES, buses. Fourth is tomatoes, is plural, we'll make it singular. We'll remove the ES, tomato. Fifth is windows, it is plural, we'll make it singular by removing the S, window. Sixth is leg, singular, we'll add S, legs. Boxes, the seventh one, we'll remove the ES to make it singular. Glass is singular, we'll add ES to make it plural. Kittens, kitten, table, tables, and so on. Do it neatly in your notebook. Now we are going to do the D part. The D part. Be ready. Underline common noun and circle proper noun. We have done this also in the grammar book, so we'll be able to do it. They went to Bengaluru by bus. Bengaluru is a proper noun. We'll circle it. Bus is a common noun. We'll underline it. There is a lot of water in the Narmada. Water is common noun. We'll underline it. Narmada, name, we'll circle it. Proper noun. His uncle will visit us on Sunday. Uncle, common noun, we'll underline it. Sunday, name of a day. We'll circle it. Rohan has 2 pairs of black shoes. Rohan, proper noun. Shoes, common noun. We'll circle it. We'll circle Rohan and we'll underline shoes. I like to watch Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry, names, we'll circle them. On television. Television is a common noun. We'll underline it. Last, we ate a dosa at Woodland Restaurant. Dosa, common noun, we'll underline. Now, Woodland Restaurant is a name. So, it's a special name. So, we will circle it. It's proper noun. Do this also in your notebook. Now, we go to the F part. F. Complete these sentences with the words from the boxes that mean the same as the words in brackets. The words are in here. You can see in the bracket. I have given you some words. We have to use the same meaning words. Little, big, fast, lovely, tall. First, there is a dash mouse under the table. Small, the same meaning of small is little, little mouse. This building is very dash. In bracket there is high. Same meaning of it is tall. Third, that is a lovely dress. Pretty, we'll make it lovely. The same meaning of pretty is lovely. Fourth, the rabbit was very dash. Bracket we have quick. The same meaning of quick is fast. The last one, fifth, the birthday party is in a dash hall. Now in the bracket is large. The same meaning of large is, yes, big. Look at it. Match the words that mean the same meaning and then you can do the fill in the blanks. Look at it and do it neatly in your notebook. Last one, children. We are going to do the H one. H. Write the missing letters in each word and complete these sentences. First, dash your teeth dash. They are words that are missing letters. We can do it in the class. E, G, I in class we can do. H you can do on your own. Dash your teeth dash. Keep. Keep, keep your teeth clean. Clean, clean. Second, she dashed these books in a dash. Reads week. Third, there are green dash on the dash. Leaves, trees. Fourth, it is not easy to swim in the sun. It is not easy to swim in the dash, sun. Do this correctly in your notebook. EGI, ma'am will do it with you in the class. That's all for today. Do it neatly in your notebook. Thank you.